Today we are making fingers cake, so let's begin. We have hazelnut flour. I just use normal hazelnut, brown sugar, hazelnut butter, brown sugar for meringue, icing sugar for meringue, baking powder, 2 large eggs, all-purpose flour, hazelnut, egg whites. So we will start with our sponge. First we will break the eggs and mix baking powder into flour. We will start beating the eggs with brown sugar until everything is nicely incorporated. Then we will add our hazelnut flour. Okay, and we'll keep whisking. After that we will add our flour with baking powder. Now we will check our hazelnut butter temperature. If it is 35 to 45, we will add it into the batter. Then we keep mixing until everything is nicely incorporated.
After making this batter, we will keep it aside and start with meringue. We will add our icing sugar and brown sugar all in one. And then we will start beating until we get stiff peaks. Once you get stiff peaks, you will stop the mixer. After making our meringue, we will add a small portion of meringue into the previously mixed batter. The way of doing is this, because we don't want our meringue to collapse. So we will add rest of the batter into our meringue, and now we will fold this mix with light hands. We will just keep mixing until we get smooth batter. Okay, it's done. Now we will bake the batter into 2 trays. The tray size is available in the description box, so you can check there. We will smooth the batter in the tray, and then we will bake these trays at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. You can see how nicely it is baked. We are making passionfruit creamuex now. We need following ingredients. We will first add sugar and eggs together and beat. We will keep this aside. Heat the puree. We will boil the puree, and then we will add this boiled puree into our eggs mixture. Okay, and now we will add this back on the heat. We will keep mixing until it gets thickened. Using this method, you can avoid making omelets, basically. Now we will add our gelatin. After mixing the gelatin, we will let it cool down to 45 degrees. And then we will add our butter. We will keep mixing, and then once the butter is incorporated, we will cover it with a cling film. We will start with our passionfruit coulis now. We will mix the sugar with pectin and keep it aside. We will boil the puree until 45 degrees Celsius, and then we will add the sugar with pectin. Continue whisking. Once it starts to react, we will add our gelatin. We will mix it, and then we will take it out and cover it with the cling film in contact. Now we will start assembling the cake. We will cut 3 sponges into same size. We will put first sponge layer. Okay, and then we will add our coulis. We will try to make it as smooth as much as we can. This will help you to create nice layers. So we will try to smooth. Now we will add our creamuex, and we will do the same with creamuex. We will try to make it as smooth as much as we can. It is possible, of course. And then we will add our second layer of a sponge. We will repeat the process. It's not that difficult. No need to rush. Do it patiently, and you will be able to achieve this also. Use small spatulas that will help you to go in the corners. Now we will pour our creamuex layer. After smoothing the second layer of creamuex, we will add our third and the last layer of a sponge, and we will keep this in the freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours, we will start cutting into the desired size. I am taking 3 centimeters each. You can see the layers.
then we will keep it again back in the freezer. We will start making glaze. We will pour our glaze on the slices. The glaze recipe is in the description box. I have used 2 types of glazes, so both recipes are in the description box. Now we will decorate it with whipping cream, and it's ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's time to see the inside layers. We will see now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.